can't compare with others. Nevertheless, in a normal population, most people are okay, average 70 years. So, can't compare with others. Nevertheless, in a normal population, most people are okay, average 70 years. So, but this research, when we say research, the impression is high-tech, complicated, difficult. Who gave us this impression? The Western scientific model. Because they say, oh, we are the research experts, high technology, electron microscope, we know everything, cell line, cell culture, they are very expensive. To create Viagra, it takes $2 billion. How much knowledge, technology you need to develop this? Why? Because we borrowed the intelligence of nature. Unlike Western science, human intelligence in the laboratory. You have to understand the difference when you are a man of science. Yes. But outcome matters. Outcome. If you develop using natural technology with a bit of science, make it affordable, but its outcome is good, it solves a problem, then you are better than that technology, which is high tech. You are better. For instance, I'm going to illness now, not wellness. Dengue is an illness problem, right? We have products which can reverse dengue. I think you have very good experience with who? The latest experience. They didn't know about my dengue, you know. Then suddenly go out, send one patient. Who was the patient? He's what? He's the big guy, right? He's some editor of Straight Times. He got dengue, you know. So I told him, oh, I got my 6 years of dengue experience. We got the product. Very skeptically they took it. How fast did it recover?
3 days.
3 days. Discharge from. To discover dengue medicine, if you talk to an American scientist, he said it will take 20 years, you must do so much of tests, so many things, it costs you $2 billion. But today I presented to the government the dengue, and they are, you know, confused. We got hundreds of professors working in all the universities in Malaysia. Why are you coming with a dengue solution? Because their mind is so trapped in this physical science paradigm that all research finding must use that methodology. I said, no, you go back to nature. Nature has created the virus, it has got the answer. You have to find it. So quickly, 2 days only, dengue. We have thousands of, and all the documentation. Just give you an example. Not my brilliance, you know. Not my hard work. Just sharing, taking a bit of nature's so powerful intelligence and put into a simple form, that's all. So all it took 36 seeds to solve the dengue problem. How? I was wondering, hey, how? Take dengue so far, the platelet goes up, fever goes down, you discharge. When you take 36 seeds, more than 7,000 bioactive chemicals goes into your system. It boosts first your immunity to the maximum. Immunity is God-given instrument to protect you against your virus, your bacteria, all infections. We get it because we don't know that our immunity is weak at that point in time. So two purposes God created the virus. One, to test your immunity. The other one, there is a selection of quality. Nature creates all types of people and tests them and keeps the strongest. So if you are not strong, the virus will come, go inside, damage you, and eliminate you, you know. But if you are strong, the virus will come, touch, pass, cannot go in, safe. That's it, actually, nature is like that. I found all these things, you know. Oh, how to keep this defense always at optimum so that virus only come, touch, and go. So that's the secret of you find it. To keep that, you have to balance your energy, your mind, and the body. Energy and mind, how you want to balance? That I leave it in. You want to do research. Energy is motivation. The central operative word of energy, you are motivated very well, your energy is high. General. Mind, confidence. If you are confident, your mind is healthy. Body, biochemical balance. Can you see? Two intangibles, one tangible. 11,000, develop a safe formula, put it inside so that people can take daily to ensure that whatever is not in their food to cover the 10,000 is there. Daily. The only thing, some of these products like spices, they are hot. Remember, and the Chinese people are scared of it, you know, many of them, correct? Not all, some like to eat chili every day. So sometimes when we give these products, they feel a bit hot. So if we sort of neutralize it by adding oat milk into it. So now not so hot now. We find a way. Because I am talking largely to try to say this special point. Indians different. They eat, they feel hot, they feel right. Because they are spicy. Chinese, you feel hot, hey, not good man, keep too much hot. The room matter can be neutralized. These are minor little things, but the major is the 7,000 biochemicals are balanced if you take the formula called by Spectra, which is 36 seeds. 9 main seeds plus other trace seeds. Now, why we are not so famous with this? Despite the fact that my research started way back in 1989 with this product, registered in 2005. It's because wellness is basically a knowledge thing. Illness shocks you. You run for help. Wellness doesn't give you the pain for you to run. So you wait till you become ill. Now we have to reverse this. Illness is very, very painful. Very, very disruptive, debilitating, costly. You go to hospital, you dengue 10,000. Keep in your pocket. Complication 100,000. That's why when we did a study in Pantai Hospital with one doctor friend, all the 4 dengue cases they studied proved healed within 24 to 48 hours. So we asked the director, please do a research on it so that you can use this product in your hospital, you know, for your dengue patients. What do you think the response would have been? Oh yeah, we're very happy, we will do the research. No, your products are too cheap, you can't make profit. Believe what? This is what they told me. So, what do? I want this to go to the people. I present to the Ministry of Health in 2006 December. Ministry of Science, University Science Hospital I presented. Very good. Oh, very good. People do something very good. I've been telling that for 5 years. Why? Because I think you know also. there is a grip on pharmaceutical industries on the system of healthcare. They are dominated, they are colonized. So we no chance to muscle, we go inside. So what I did, praying and see who is going to take this to the world. Then comes Hawkman, one. He said, Hawk, hey, you come from the Chinese race, brilliant race, and the most populous race. Very good at reproduction. What can we do now? They have brains. So he said, hey, okay. This son came, find some group, powerful network. Tell them about this, see whether they are convinced. Ask them to put aside and push them. That's how it is.